Hello, today I am making Szechuan Shrimp's very aromatic and delicious recipe. Szechuan cuisine is quite easy to home. Cooking, let's start marinating ingredients. Green onion chopped, ginger, garlic, black pepper. Dry red chilies, cut dry chilies and discard all seeds, then soak in water for 15 minutes. Then drain and set aside. And set aside. I am using 400-gram shrimps. Add ginger 1 tablespoon, chopped black pepper, ½ teaspoon salt. Now I am adding soya sauce. Marinate half an hour. Two tablespoons cornstarch before frying. Fry shrimp until the change color. Set aside now. Oil, 2 tablespoons, fry garlic, add red chili, add green onion. Prawns are an excellent source of lean protein, which supports muscle growth and overall health, and also relatively low in calories and fat, making them a healthy option for weight management. And prawns are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including selenium, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health and overall wellness. All is that this is very useful recipe. At last, marinated shrimp, finally add 1 teaspoon. Soya sauce and ½ teaspoon vinegar. Prawns can elevate a dish with their elegant appearance, making them perfect for special occasions or entertaining guests. Prawns tend to be popular with many people due to their delicate flavor, making them a great choice for group meals. Prawn recipes are a fantastic option for healthy, tasty, and quick meals that can fit into various diets and occasions. And that's my family favorite recipe. I make this recipes only in 30 minutes, but family just eat in on bites. Thank you for subscribing the channel, and if you forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, just click like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you.